All right, let's go on to exercise number 2, using the capacitance meter to measure some industrial capacitors. I picked 3 out at random, and I'm going to measure them using my capacitance meter, which I've already got turned on. So let's just pick one out to start out with. Ooh, this is a big one. This is 470 microfarads, and maximum we can put on there is 25 volts. So notice the negative end is to the right. So when I put it in my meter, I'm going to have to make sure I put that negative end where it says negative. Put that in there, and like that. And you can see it reading off. Now, it's, close to what it's supposed to be, but notice how it's gradually moving downward. Okay, well, actually it's pretty stabilized and pretty quick. Oh, there it goes again. So this actually may take a few minutes for it to stabilize. So instead of just writing down what it says, let's just wait. I'm going to wait 5 minutes, and I will stop, and then I'll restart it to show you what the value is once it's fairly stable. This has to do with how the measurement's made. It's shooting off a constant DC current, a very tiny one, and measuring the impedance of it. I mean, this particular meter doesn't use an AC method, it uses a DC method. The problem with that is that with very large capacitors, there's time constants. And the larger the capacitor, the longer it takes for you to reach a stable, the stable reading. So let's come back in a couple minutes.